With the future of Obamacare at stake in this election, some key Arizona leaders are having their say. Maricopa and Pima County could soon have another option for insurance under the Affordable Care Act. A company called Centene says it's filed paperwork to be an approved provider. The number of choices have been dwindling, and Cronkite News reporter Allyson Hoskins reports that's just one concern Senator John McCain has about the ACA.
Senator McCain was joined by Senator John Barrasso of Wyoming at the Better Business Bureau in downtown Phoenix to speak with Arizona residents about the problems they see with the Affordable Care Act and their plan to repeal and replace it. Standing in front of a full House, Senator McCain told Arizona citizens of his concerns surrounding President Barack Obama's Affordable Care Act.
The fundamental problem is that they decided they were going to take money from healthy young Americans to subsidize the health care of not so healthy older Americans. This is why there has to be a repeal.
U.S. Senator John Barrasso from Wyoming stated that the current plan needs to be replaced with a plan that allows states and individuals to have the power rather than the federal government.
We are willing to work with anybody who wants to actually get the power to individuals, get the power to the states, let those people make the decisions rather than more unelected, unaccountable bureaucrats in Washington and more federal dollars thrown at a system that really we know isn't working very well.
But Senator Katie Hobbs, Arizona's Senate Minority Leader, says the ACA does work.
The opponents of the Affordable Care Act want to claim that it's been an abysmal failure, but the fact is that more people are insured now than have ever been in the country, and that was the whole point, is that people have access to health insurance. So by that measure, it hasn't been a failure at all.
Aetna is just one healthcare provider that has pulled out of Arizona. This departure in 2017 would have left Pinal County without a provider, but Arizona Blue Cross Blue Shield has stepped in and decided to cover the county.
I think these issues can be resolved, and I think the bottom line, we shouldn't be jumping to the conclusion, oh, this doesn't work, we should repeal it.
Senators McCain and Barrasso are still working on passing a bill that would in fact repeal and replace the Affordable Care Act, but not everyone in the House and Senate agrees with their plan. In the Broadcast Center, Allyson Hoskins, Cronkite News.